channel and to discuss about the editorial analysis part 6. Well, tell me. The trouble with other novel and food, the mRNA and COVID के vaccine. The Hindu. The prelims and the current event of the national importance and government policies on COVID-19, the vaccinations. Vaccinations. Vaccination, COVID-19, mRNA, etc., and GS paper 2, and government policies and interventions for the development in the various sector and issues the arising out of there the design and implementation. Article highlight the 2023 Nobel Prize for the Physiology or the Medicals and has been the awarded to the Catalans, Carrico and the Dre and the Maceman for developing the mRNA and the vaccine and technology for history and fastage vaccine development and programs during the COVID-19 pandemic. Inside on the issues and contact mRNA vaccine. How does the mRNA COVID-19 vaccine work? Coronavirus mRNA and standard for the messengers and RNA the molecules and that the carries genetic information from the RNA to the proteins making the machineries of the cell. And mRNA vaccine use the synthetic mRNA that the indoles and the specific proteins and from other pathogens and such as the stick and proteins of the coronavirus and when the mRNA and vaccine is the injected into the body and some of the cells will take up the mRNA the use and it too. It to produce the proteins and proteins then the triggers and the immune response there the provided the antibodies and the memory and cell and that can the recognize and fluid the Pentagon in the futures and mRNA vaccine are the faster and the cheaper to produce as they do not require and cell the cultures or the complex purifications process. RNA vaccine are also the more flexible and adaptations as they can be the easily and modified to target a new varianted or the strength of pathogens. What did the Catalans and the Carrico and the Dre and the Weissmans and discovers? mRNA and Vax is the pioneering and research is the problems with the injected and mRNA was that it is the used and implementary reaction to react and then the two scientists and modified the mRNA chemistry. This the technology is used in the modernization and the Pfizer's and the COVID vaccines and the modified and mRNA and based the mRNA and the uridines. About the scientist. Cell possesses and the inherited capabilities to direct the foreign materials and dendritics and cells and which play the crucial role in our the immune system and had the ability to the recognize in the vitro transcript and RNA as the foreign settings of and the inflammatory response. This reactions and could the potentially lead to the harmful sides and effect and the undermining the vaccine efficiency and furthermore another the challenges stems and from the factor that in the vitro transcribed mRNA was highly the unstable and the susceptible to the degradations via the enzymes within the bodies and Carrigo and Weissmans observed that the dendritic cells and identified in the vitro transcripted and mRNA as the foreign activating them and causing the release of the inflammatory signals. They questioned why this the mRNA was considered and the foreign unlike mRNA from the mammalians and cells and which didn't the triggers and the cells response and mammalians and cells are the eukaryotic cells as that belongs to the animal kingdom and have other nuclears and others the membranes and bound the organized, and this led them to the regimes release and that there must be the district and properties and separates the two mRNA type. With Dr. Kariko the path and followed in the Corbevax and for the vaccine development this the protein subunits vaccine and the licenses and it to the India's and biological E for the manufacturing challenges in developing of the mRNA vaccine. The part of the drug and the development is more the risky and protected and when and the scientists and identified potential and the biomolecules and the targeted within the bodies on which either drug and could act in order to manage other particular diseases followed by the identified and the stable chemicals candidates and the cost and time estimated of this the phase and are the 1 billions and 2.5 billions and the several credit respectively and the company's commodities and commercializations and thus the entire ranking in the million in profits and aid the expense of some the pupils and whose the taxes funded the fundamentals and research the double and spend and it is the imposes on the consumers and including the government the profit seeking the attitude it is the engendered among the companies developing and the manufacturing the produce and the discriminatory practices. India, Russia, and China expected the billions of the doses of their the vaccine and their effort were the beset and by the concern and their the manufacturing capacities had been the overestimated and in India's and case over the qualities in Russia and China's and there were the report of the several countries in the Africas and having the throw and away lakes of the vaccine and doses and because they had been the expected and to the loss close and to their the expiry date and way forward. mRNA vaccine and story during the COVID-19 pandemic simply placed and the extraordinary premium or the altruism and on this the part a result of the administrator and the board chair budget decisions the technology could have the beneficiaries everyone during the pandemics and but it did not addressing the issues and associated with the development and the distributions and questions for the practices and what is the basis principles behind the vaccines development how do vaccines work and what approach and were the adopted by the India's vaccine and manufacturing to the procedures COVID-19 vaccines. Editorial analysis diffusing the tackling time and bomb cold diabetes and the source the Hindus prelims and current event of the national importance WHO and NCDS and G20 age taxes and moralities and fertility rates and artificial intelligence robotic surgery etc. GS paper 1 and human development and management of the social sectors and services related to the health and education etc. A study conducted by the Madras and Diabetes Research Foundations in the collaborations with the Indian Council of the Medical Research and the Union Health Ministry and revealed that the 11.4 and 11.4 and of the India's and populations are living and with the dividends and 15.3% of the population. It also found that the 28.6% of the populations would be the considered to be the obese as per the BMI and emissions. The insights on the issues and contact has the WHO a certain totally of health and to the realms of the mental and the social well-beings and the happiness and views the physically fitness and the absence of the diseases and disabilities we cannot the achieve and health in its the widest and deficiency and and without the addressing health and the determinant non-communicables and diseases NCD and non-communicable diseases NCD and non-communicable diseases includes cardiovascular and diseases and diabetes and the mellitus and the chronics and the obstructive and the malnutrition diseases cancer and risk factors and tobacco use alcohols and raise the blood glucose and decrease the vegetable and fruit and the intake and raise the cholesterol and obesity common NCDs in the India's and debated hypertension and the heart attack and cancer and the respiratory issues and respirations type 1 and diabetes and T1D, and T1D is other chronological condition in which and the pancreas and produce the little or no the insulins, and which is other hormones are needed to the regulates and the blood sugar level, and this types of the diabetes and usually occurs in the children and young the adult, although it can occurs in it any the ages according to the data from the International Diabetes and Federation Atlas in 2021. And India has the world highest numbers of the children and the adolescent and living with types and types 1 and debate 1 and the militudes and TIDM. It is and the atio means and the disorders, and which means and that the body immune system and mistakenly and attack and the destroyed the insulin and producing the cells in the pancreated. The extreme causes of this condition is not known, and but the genetics and the environmental factors are the through to play a role. Treatment and type 1 and diabetes and typically then required and insulins the injections or and the insulins and pumps to the manage the blood sugar level. Diabetes type 1 and type 2 and wells type 1, and your body is no the longer in the hours to the produce and insulins, and types 2 and your body is still the produce the insulins, and but it is the doesn't make enough of it, and or it the doesn't use in the efficiencies. Age usually developed during the childhood but can the developed at any age, can develop any age, and but is the most common in the adult over 45. Reason for the rising debates and the consumer of ultra processed foods, and according to the WHO, a major reason for this is the consumptions of unhealthy and ultra processed food and the beverages, and which are the aggressively and markets and displacing the traditional debates, and such food the included carbonated drinks, insults, carols and chips and fruits and vegetables drinks and instant noodles and cookies and ice creams and bakeries production and energies and vast etc. A playground for the food industries, and the sale of the sugar sweetness and the beverages and has failed in the last 20 years in many high income countries. To compensate and for the loss of the shells and companies, and are now the focusing on the low and the middle income countries. India is the playground for the food industries and marketing, the targeting youth, younger generations and the growing the middle class, and making it hard and for and the individuals and choose the healthy food options. Children in particular are the exposed and to the cartoons and characters and giving incentives and the gift and celebrities endorsement, and also the determine and their the consumption decision. Sugar sweetened and the beverages and are other major sources of the added sugar in the diet teeth and put and the pupils, and it are the higher risk of the type 2 diabetes, and policies and the regulatory action are the wanted. Challenges the food industries and does not the want any the restriction or marketings, and they offer the partnerships and as well as the arguments of economic development as the stakeholder. The food industries also the participated in programs and such as the eat rights and making the false promises and such the partnerships, and do not allow for the strong regulations, and that the could reduce the consumptions of ultra processed and food and the beverages. The Food Safety and the Standard Authority of India and has the shown other lacklusters and the responses to the crisis, and it is allow other dominating rule to the food industries, and while the suggesting the front of the packages and labeling and which is the steels and not in place. Way forward, government can the safeguard and pupils from the manipulative strategies of the food industries, and through other legal frameworks or even and the ordinances and articles 123 of the constitutions, and with the objectives of the reducing healthings and the consumptions of the ultra processed food and government cloud, and include the defining healthy food and any warming level on the unhealthy food, and the restrictions on the promotions and the marketings and tactiles and of the unhealthy food and the beverages and the pupils and must be the enforcement of the risk of the consuming such food. The government of the South Africa, Norway and the Mexico have the recently taken similar actions. The government of India can show and it's the strength and to regulate the food labelings and marketings. Such are the law and will be the clears and the demonstrations of the bill of the government. The infant and milk, the subsidiaries and feedings bottles and the infant food etc. and the fleets the growth of the commercials board baby food and proposed new the lays and could do the same and to the unhealthy foods and the beverages. Question for the practice beside the beings and the moral imperative of the welfare state and the primarily and the health structure is necessaries and the preconditions and for the sustainable development and analysis and 200 words and 10 marks and additional editorials and analysis. We need the evidences based on the traditional medicines and the prelims current event of the national important health maintenance organization HMO and Ayush and GS paper 1 and 2 and development and the management of social sectors and services related to the health and the education etc. Article highlighted the case field and by other manufacture of the indigenous drugs and against other medical practitioners and on the ground and that is the social medias and thread the affected and where the business and has becomes other accuses celebrates in medical circle and the push to the integrated and Ayush medicals and system into the mainstreams and health cares and to the achieve universal health coverage and the decolonize and medicines is other pluralistics and approach. It would require and every the participating systems and to meet basis the safety and the efficiency and standard. Healthcare system in India: primary level, secondary level and tertiary level, and primary level sub centers and primary health cares and secondary level community health centers and tertiary levels hospitals and medical colleges. Insight on the issues and contact Ayush. The traditional and the non-conventional system of the health can and the healings which and include the Ayurvedas and yogas and the naturopathy and the Unani and Siddhas and Sova and the Rigvas and the homeopathy etc. Features of the Indian systems of the medicines and their the diversities, flexibilities and accessibilities, affordabilities about acceptances by other large section of the general publics and the comparatively and lesser cost and growing the economically value and great the potential to make them and the providers of the healthcare and that the large section of our the people's need. Reason for the skepticism and about the Ayush: skepticism in the public and mind and about the soundness of Ayurvedic theories and the fruitfulness and of its the practices. The Ayurvedas established and has the failed to keep pace and with the intellectuals and the scientific advanced of the times. Arches theory and that are the apt and to the errors and suspensions and in the mind of the educated and the patient are the peddled as the sophisticated and the dogmas treatment are the made into the escapes and the straightforward experimentals and scrutiny and because of their the supposed and rottenness and in the such theories and demonized and the evidences based the qualities Ayurveda's treatment are slow to the heels and is the another common view and that the characterize and the public image of the Ayurveda. Modern and the medicines and modern medicine is not the allopathy and which the means and opposed to the symptoms a the terms and choline and by the Hahnemann and in the 18th century to the differential it from his the newly and invested system homeopathy. Modern medicines and become the science and based. based from the late 19th century and the advanced in the technology and made the study of the final functionings and of the human body in the health and the diseases more the acute rate. It also led into the safe anesthesias and surgeries and such as the dialysis and for the kidney favors and the heart lungs and machine and which made the surgery on the heart other daily affairs and development of the modern medicine. The development of the scientific brought and in the 20th century including the Popperian ideas of the falsifiabilities and led to the addressed and in the evolutions and medicines therapies and modern medicine a part of the modern science and tasted every the new therapies and the expected it into the canons if the found and effective and one of the great and triumph of the post world and world war second phase 2 of the human city civilization is the greater and the quicker flow of the ideas and across the world. Traditional medicines Ayurveda. Ayurveda was the contrained and in its the understandings and of the how the human body and work by the lack of the available technology a reason based the word and viewed in is the what and the different is Ayurvedas and epistemologically and from the earth erstwhiles and the faith and based the forms of the Artham Vedas and the achievement and it is the availability and to the synthesis and the ideas and from the across the world and to what other coherent system of the how the world functions. Method for the drug development in modern the drug development and the commonly used method is to the isolated and the active principles and the modern medicines and are the singles and the ingredient and only the few and the combinations the extracted amount of the active principles and is the carefully calculated. National Ayush missions and the launch in the September 2014 by the Department of the Ayush under the Ministry of the Health and the Family Welfare and during the 12th plan for the implementation through the state and UTS and now it is the implemented and by the Ministry of the Ayush. The scheme involved the expansions and of the Ayush and sectors to the promote the holistic and the health of the Indians. The mission address and the gaps in the health services and growth. Um, through supporting the effort of the state UT government for the providing the Ayush health services education in the country and particularly in the one rivers and far flung areas component of the national Ayush mission on obligatory and component Ayush services Ayush education institution quality control of the Ayush and Ayurveda Siddha and Unani and homeopathy and drug the medicine plants and flexible component Ayush wellness and centers comprising the yogas and neutrality and telemedicines and innovations in the Ayush involving including the public private and partnerships IEC and information education and communication activities and the voluntary certification scheme project based etc. way forward. Ayurvedic and the medicines and would the increase the accessibilities of the Ayurvedas and medicine in the scientific community if they were the evaluated and by the method of the modern science. Knew the investigationals and method and the trials design and which can the evaluated and Ayurvedas the therapies without the undermining the classical basis of the administrations and them must be the work done out the ministry of the Ayush and must the facilitate this. The purpose of the government and policy is to the make the life and better for the pupils and the aim should be the carry carrying out and the evidences and based the appraisals of all the traditional medical system and written and the developed what is useful integrated and them into one the cogent and system of the medicine and available to all the denouncing and traditional system in toto would result in other hasty dismissals of the valuable medicals and experience and that has undergone unrepeated and elevate and informals verification at the hand of the generations and of the practitioners ignoring time and honor and knowledge and based in the name of the science is a the disservice and to the scientific altitude and as also and to the cultural achievement of the euro and the novel winding the anti malarial and the art machinings and was the synthesis and by the investigators and who were the open and minded enough and to take the cues and from other 16,000 years 1600 years and old the text of the traditional Chinese medicine questions for practice besides being other moral imperatives and of the welfare state and primarily health structure is other necessary and preconditions for the sustainable development analysis editorial analysis conforming the long-term risk of the artificial intelligence prelims the science and technology and artificial intelligence and generating the big data and gens the chat gp ti1 and tools the dal E2 etc. MNGS paper 2 and 4th and significant of the technology for India and AL the indigenesis of technology and development of the new technology and articles highlighted in the age of the cyber attack and the data breaches and the same acted is the fought and with the dangers cinematic example of the evolving the perceptions of the artificial intelligence and risk is the film and X machines 8 all is the projected and to the 8,500 trillion billions to the Indian economic by the 2025 accounting for the 10% of the country targeted GDP insights contact artificial intelligence and it is the branch of the computer science and dealing with the simultaneous and of the intelligence behavior in computer it is the described the actions of the machine and accomplishing and tasks that have the historically required and human intelligence it is the included technology like the machines learning patterns and recognition big data natural networks and the self and the algorithm etc Facebook facials and the recognition software in which the identified faces in the photos and we post the voice recognition softwares and that the translate comments we give to the Alexas and etc. and are the sum of the example of the artificial intelligence already around us and generates the artificial intelligence it is the cuttings which and technological advancement and that the utilize machine and learning and the artificial intelligence to create the new forms of the medias and such as the text audio video and the animation and with the advent of the advanced and machine learning the capabilities it is the possibles to generate new and creative the short and long and form the contact and synthesis medias and even the deep and fakes and with the simple task and also known as the prompt and oil the innovations and against the generatives and the adversarial network LLMs the large language models and GPL and generatives and pre the trained and transformation image and the generation to the experimented and created the commercial offerings and like the dull emo for the image generation and the chat GPT, GPT for the text generation, it is the can and write the blocks, computers code and the marketing copies and even the generated result for the search queries and artificial intelligence. Even it was named as the marvels and of the synthesis intelligence. Reveal her the potential and to the outwit and the manipulated and the her humans and the creator and the culminating and the unforeseen and hazard and risk artificial intelligence risk and the drastically and changes as the technologies and the capabilities and becomes the clearer and the immediately risks and might be the more and the tangible such as ensuring and that and the artificial intelligence system does not the malfunctional and in its the day to the day task long term risk and the artificial intelligence runs in the society and its the implications it's the implication for the humanity गाओ गाओ ले मत लेट चल ऐसे ही रे concern about the amalgamations of the थोड़ा घुमा लाओ of artificial intelligence and biotechnology to fundamentals and alter the human existence of the manipulating and humans emotions and through and the decides and statements and if the statement infrastructure and such as the water electricity and the increase shiny and really on the artificial intelligence any the male functionals or the municipalization of such and the artificial intelligence system and could disrupt thus the pivotal services it build the potentials and the hampers societal function and public well-beings. A runway artificial intelligence and could causes and the harms could causes and more harms and the such as the manipulation of the crucial system and such as the water and the distributions and or the alterations of the chemical balances in the water supply it may the causes and the catastrophic and the repercussions and even if the such and the probabilities and the appears distance and the evolutions to the human level artificial intelligence and that is the capable of the outperforming and the human cognitives and task and build the marks the pivotals and the shift in thus the risk artificial intelligence might the undergo and the repeat self the improvement and the culminating in other super intelligence and that far the outpaces and human intellect the potential of this super intelligence acting on the mislineage and the corrupt or the malicious goal and presented and the dire and scenarios challenges the aligning artificial intelligence with the universally and accepted human values. The repeat phase of the artificial intelligence advancement and the supported and by the market pressures. Often the specialists and safety considerations and raising the concern about the unchecked and artificial intelligence developed governance lack of a unified global approach and to the artificial intelligence regulated can be detrimental and to and the fundamental objectives of the artificial intelligence government to ensure the long term safety and the ethical development of the artificial intelligence technology the artificial intelligence index from the Stanford universities and repeal and that the legislative bodies in 2127 and countries the past 37 laws and that the included and the words and artificial intelligence and there is other conspicuous and absences of the collaborations and the cohesive actions and at the international levels and so long the terms risk and associated with the artificial intelligence cannot be mitigated and if other country and such as the China's and does not the enacted and regulations and on the artificial intelligence while the other do and it would likely and gain other competitives and in the terms of the artificial intelligence advancement and the development unregulated and progress and can lead to the development of the artificial intelligence system and that may be demoralized and with the global ethical standard and creating other risk of the unforeseen and the potentially irreversible and consequences and it could the result and in the destabilizations and the conflicted and undermining the international peace and the security national the engaging in the rigorous and artificial intelligence safety protocols and maybe it other disadvantage and encouraging a race to and the bottoms and where the safety and the ethical consolidations and the neglected in favor of the rapid development and developments. The universe and playing field can the inadvertently and encourages other the nation to choose on their the regulatory framework and to mention the competitiveness and thereby the further compromising the global artificial intelligence safety. What step need to be the taken in European Union artificial intelligence it is adopt either risk based on the approach and trying the severity of the risk to the area of the artificial deploymented and the how we was trying and trying risk and the one solely to the deployment and areas is and the over simplify strategy it is the might and the outcomes outlook and certain risk and that are not and the directly lead to be the development areas are more the holistic views of the artificial intelligence risk is the necessary to ensure the comprehensively and effective regulation and overseas super intelligence, ethically issues and with the intelligence, super intelligence and business accountabilities, ethical issues of intelligence, artificial accountability, safety and awakenings of artificial lack of conscience and integrity and morality. What accountabilities? Forward, way forward the consequences of the technology and with the welfare of employees and long term risk. Addressing the perils of the military artificial intelligence is crucial. The international community has the formed the treaties and such as the treaty on the non-profitables of the nuclear weapon to manage the such as the potent technology demonstrating and that the established and global the norms for the artificial intelligence and welfare is other pressing but the attainable goals and treaties such as the chemicals weapons and the conventions are the furthers example of international accords in the restrictions and the hazards and technologies and national the must and the delineated and where the artificial intelligence developed is the captables and the enforced clear norms and for it rule in welfare. India can assume the leaderships in how the regulators and address the children and the adolescent and who are other criticals and the demographics in this the contact and regulation should avoid the prescriptions and the instead embrace the standard and strong the institution and best the practices in which imbue openness and the trust and the accountabilities and is with the move and towards the new laws and to the regulator the harms on the internet and the looks to the established about the thought and the leaderships on the global artificial intelligence regulation. The interested of our the youth and citizens must be the front and center. Question for the practices: what are the different elements of the cyber security and keeping in the views the challenges in cyber security and examine the extended and to which India and has the successfully developed a the comprehensively national cyber security strategy UPSC 2022. Thank you guys. Bye bye. This session will be closed.